Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be participating in another open collab. Now this one is called the Fall Barcart Collaboration for 2021. And it is hosted by It's a Cozy Life with Marilyn and JRC Restoration, Decor, and Design. Two fabulous YouTube creators who are giving it up for the people on YouTube, and you know I'm here for it. So, they tasked us today with decorating a bar cart or bar area in our home. I hope you like what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration to decorate your bar area for fall. If you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button, the red one right down here. Go ahead and click on that. And hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So without further ado, let's get on into it. Do is raise the decanters up, and then I'll come back in with my silver decorative plate. A tray that I got in Italy. I think, oh yeah, there's the color. Let's do that. For our cocktail, I am going to make a pineapple margarita. And I have here Chi-Chi's original margarita mix, some silver tequila, it is tortilla brand, and frozen pineapple chunk. So to our blender, I'm going to add ice, and I will usually use a whole ice cube tray. I'm going to add our pineapple chunks. So about maybe a half a cup to a cupful, a half a cup of tequila. I may add a little bit more, you know, your girl, if she gonna drink, honey, we want it. Okay, so that was a cup and 3/4 margarita mix. Let's go ahead and check this for taste. Oh my God, that is super, super good. Here I have our purple margarita glasses, and we're going to fill that with our margarita. And let's garnish that. Take a little bit of the frozen pineapple that I still have here. Enjoy. And our pineapple margarita is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration to create some wonderful cocktails in your home. If you have not done so already, I would love for you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you again for watching.